Good morning. I just quickly wanted to go over this worksheet, Historical San Francisco Bay Marshes. The first part of it talks a little bit about marshes in the San Francisco Bay, tidal marshes, and how they used to look before European settlers and comparing that to what they look like today. So you've got some information here. You've got a couple of questions that are based on this information up there. So you'll answer those questions from here, but then you're gonna do a little mapping activity. And what that looks like, this is page 2. You have 2 maps of the Bay Area. And in these maps, I want you to shade in the areas from the 2 images that show, one, the historical tidal marshes. This is before Europeans. And then this one shows the current tidal marshes or salt marshes that we have today. And you can see quite a big difference in how much area that they cover. So for instance, this first one's gonna be your historic one. And as best you can, you're looking at this map and shading in areas here. So I'm going to use my pencil, and I notice there's a lot down in the South Bay, all along the shores there down near where San Jose is. And I'm going to start shading that stuff in. It doesn't have to be perfect. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you're just trying to get an idea of where these areas are. Okay? So I'm kind of outlining this whole area and going up to about here. And then I'm going to shade that in. And you're going to do that for all of the parts around here. Again, they're 2 different maps, so don't get too caught up in exactly where they're at. Just get the general idea of where they're at on here. Same thing with this second one. This is the present. And you'll do the same thing. You'll mark some of these ones and go ahead and do all the colors here. All of the green colors, just mark them in. Because some of these are projects, some of these have been done, some of these are planning to be done, but it'll still show you the difference between the 2. Last thing, on both maps, I want you to label these 5 cities: San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, Concord, and Brentwood. Do that for both the historic and the present, okay? Because we have to get an idea of where things are in the Bay. We have to have a sense of geography. All right, thank you very much.